and my title because I said silent live because of this child. Why? Okay, okay, that not bad. I can show you, sir. I'm gonna try and figure this out. I'm trying to find something. Find a word. Mm-mm-mm. Find the word. So I put in back the word, the same thing. I said unscramble it. Toracr. Toracr. Is it one word? Yes, Liz. It's a food. Da 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 dee da down dee da down. It. Oh, that light. Why? Food me I forget it. Yeah, and you're a big chef. So what's that? And the next one is IEP, but you don't solve that one yet, so I can't give you that one yet as yet. So right there, guys, I just spin the word. I'm gonna figure this out. You're right. You're still. What's that? What is that? TORACR. What is the word? Unscramble it. Figure it out. Figure it out. What food is that? Give me a hint. You really want me to do that? Food. I told you already. It's food. That's the hint right there. It's food. Ooh, that's the hint. Food. Food, mama. Mm-mm-mm. It's food, it's food, it's food, it's food. Food, it's food, it's food, it's food. I mean, it's a kindergarten thing. You say give me a hint again? Wait. Give me a hint. Oh god, the food I told you. That's the hint, sis. Mm-mm.